How do you plan your day? All I need is just 1 minute or less to plan mine. Do you want to see how? I plan my day first thing when I start work before I even read my emails. And the apps I use is Microsoft To Do. It is a free app and you can actually download it on your mobile, your desktop, your tablet as well. So you can sync all your tasks or to do throughout any devices that you have. Right now here, this is my desktop version. Okay. In fact, I love the mobile version and I believe the Microsoft To Do is more powerful in mobile version because it has other features that desktop doesn't have. But the main function is there in the desktop. So this is the desktop version. Over here on the left hand side is all the listing. Okay. You can create any new list you want. All right. And once you have list, let's say for example, work, then you can create any task you want, right? Let's say task one. And you can just create it easily and then you can set the due date and so on, right? Or it is recurring, repeat, then you can just do it daily, weekdays, or weekly, monthly, yearly, and custom, right? So it's very simple to use. Now, my favorite part is when I plan my day is using this My Day listing. So this is the most powerful features, I believe, in Microsoft To Do. So I use a lot of different tasks or to-do apps, but this is the best so far because it has this My Day function. So now, how does it work? My Day function basically is for you or for me to plan my day. Yeah. Now, all I need is very simple. You click My Day for the first time, it will pop out suggestions. Now, if it doesn't pop out suggestion, click this light bulb. Okay. Or if you're in the mobile version at the bottom here, there's a suggestion button. You just click it, it will pop up here. Over here, it will have all the so-called tasks suggest. Let's say, for example, things that I need to do like today. It will pick up from all the lists that you have, no matter it's work, for health, or for your KPI, for things that you want to plan, or even your checklist. As long it has a date, right? It will pop out right over here. This is like already passed. Okay. So this is today. If I want to add it or I want to do this today, right? Running, I can just put it here. Or this one, if this is already so-called, you see, I already have one. If these are the tasks that is due tomorrow, if I want to do that, I can pull ahead and put in here. Okay. I don't need to change the date. Usually I will select, right, the top 3 or top 5, not more than 5 key tasks that I want to do today so that I can focus. If I can get all this done, then I'll come back here and then I can select further. Okay. So let's say these are the pick another one. Let's say this one. Okay. And then these are the 3. This is how easy it is done, right? So the next thing I want to do is that I want to prioritize, right? So running maybe in the evening. So then I want to do this first. I can click hold and then I can sort it. You see that, right? I can sort it up and down and so on, right? So this is how you prioritize. And that's it. Then my day is done. My day planning is done. You see, so it is simple. That's why I say it only takes less than a minute for me to do that. But the most important part is that you need to set all this up, right? Okay. What are key things as you have like tasks, you just put into the list. Yeah. And then you can start plan, right? By putting the deadline in there. Then when you come to My Day and I click on the suggestions, it will pop out over here. All you need is just to select what you're going to do today. The beauty is that if you have not complete, let's say you already complete this, but you have not complete this, right? Tomorrow, it will actually it will clear the screen and you start all over again. So every day is a new day. So you don't see a long list. And every day it forces you to go through all the tasks and then make a decision. What do you want to do today? Right? By doing that, you'll become more focused and you'll get things done faster. Now, the great thing in the mobile is that you can go to the setting and set because you may not have this habit of planning, right? So all you just need to go to the setting and in the notification, you can set to have a pop-up notification to tell you at what time, right? What day and what time to inform you to plan your day. Now, this is available for Android version and Apple version. I'm very sorry you don't have that. Maybe you just set your own alarm to do that, to create this planning habit. And by doing that, you will see that you become more productive. So Try out and let me know whether it helps you or not. Now, I will be creating more guides on how we can actually use Microsoft To Do. It is very powerful yet very flexible. You can use it, like for example, you can use this to create checklists or many other things. So remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the new videos. I see you real soon in my next video.